Today I'm diving deep into the world of identity theft to see if hackers have really stolen my identity. Let's find out. Identity theft is a critical issue in the digital age, and it's more relevant to us today than ever before. With the rise of online transactions, social media, and data breaches, our personal information is at risk of being stolen and used for malicious purposes. Data breaches are a major challenge individuals face concerning identity theft. Hackers use various tactics to steal personal information, including phishing emails, fake websites, and malware. These tactics can be very convincing, making it difficult for people to distinguish between legitimate and fake online communications. Cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated, and hackers are constantly finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities in systems and human behavior. Identity theft can happen to anyone, regardless of how careful they are with their personal information. Hackers often target large corporations and organizations, which can put millions of people's data at risk. Recent identity theft cases have shown that hackers are using new and creative methods to steal personal information. For example, some hackers use social engineering tactics to trick people into revealing their login credentials or financial information. Others use malware to gain access to people's devices and steal their data. To protect themselves, viewers can take several steps, such as using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious when clicking on links or downloading attachments. Hackers are also using advanced technology such as artificial intelligence and machine learning to commit identity theft. They can use this technology to create fake identities, generate synthetic data, and evade detection. Viewers can stay safe by monitoring their credit reports, using a virtual private network, and keeping their software up to date. A surprising fact about identity theft is that it can happen to anyone, regardless of their age or background. Many people think that only certain groups are at risk, but the truth is that identity theft can affect anyone who uses the internet or has a digital presence. I personally know someone who had their identity stolen, and it was a nightmare to deal with. The impact of identity theft can be severe, causing financial loss, damage to credit scores, and emotional distress. The severity of identity theft is encapsulated in a statistic that shows millions of people are affected by it every year. This highlights the need for people to be vigilant and take steps to protect themselves. Identity theft can also have long-term consequences, making it difficult for people to recover from the damage. The key points to take away from this video are that identity theft is a real and present danger, and that there are steps viewers can take to protect themselves. Being aware of the tactics used by hackers and taking precautions can significantly reduce the risk of identity theft. Today, I'm diving deep into the world of identity theft to see if hackers have really stolen my identity. Let's find out. If you've had any experiences with identity theft, please share them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video on how to enhance your online security.